Okay, so welcome back to my channel. So we're going to install the harness. So the wiring harness for the LED bar that I installed last night. So I already started it up. So here's the wiring harness. So I fished through this wire in here. Just fish it in there. Just remove that. If you can see, if it will focus. But yeah, so it's gonna be in there. And I run it through this windshield molding and a pillar. So, and it runs through here, going there. So what I'm planning to do is I'm gonna loosen this and just put the wire underneath there so that it can get tucked nicely in there. And then the LED bar from here. The wiring is there. It went somewhere in there and fished through here. So I think I'll leave it this way. Just put some zip ties somewhere in here to avoid the rattle, just to make sure it's in place. Alright, so the only challenge I have is fishing the switch. So this wire, this plug, need to fish it through somewhere in there. So there's there. I need to fish it through there. So that's the only challenge I have, because physically I cannot really reach it. So yep. So I need to do something about that. Okay. So let's start with this one out. Yeah, I'll talk about something later. So yep. So come on, let's work on it. Okay, so I'm having issues with the wire passing through the actual firewall. I cannot reach it, and I cannot really push the wire in there. Even coming from the inside, I cannot see the actual grommet. Probably because I can't reach there. In fact. So what I did is I just run it again here. If you can see this wire, I pass it through the fender, and it goes here. So it goes here. So if you can see, so I just need to tuck it in here and put the switch probably somewhere here. Okay, so that's the plan. So I hope I can put this properly, at least temporarily, so that I can use my car. Alright, I'll update you with the progress. Okay, so I just finished wiring it. So it's not that clean. So as basic, so negative goes to negative, positive goes to positive. So I was able to screw the relay in here. So that's the relay. So I need to clean this one up. So I'm going to stop that one there. Might rattle when running, but I can just put some cable ties. So this one too. So this will be mostly covered by the strut bar that I got. So I still need to clean it. So yep. So the alternative route again that I run the wire instead of the original plan through the firewall. So I did it through the fenders. So here it runs here. So let me open it. So as you can see, it's there. So it runs, it comes out here. Then I just pull this weather strip in here and then just run it down. If you can see, yeah, so I just run it down. Then all I have to do is mount the switch somewhere. So let's test. It has a DRL, very dim for the DRL, and then the actual spot. All right, so let me work on this, finish it up. I'll clean the wiring in here, just clean it up, just put some cable ties. All right. This is hard. I think I'm claustrophobic because I tried to reach down there and I can't breathe. So I'm having shortness of breath whenever I'm down there. So that's why I just F it. I'm just gonna go to the fender side. Alright, so I'll update you, show you some pictures. Nighttime and nighttime videos. I'm not sure if I'm gonna able to do that today, but probably it will be in the next video. But that's how you wire it. So again, basic positive, negative. The relay is able to screw it here. So there's already like a screw in there. And I just bolted it in. Then again, run the wires to the LED bar. Use the pillar, the A pillar molding. They went up there to there. So still need to put like zip ties again in this area. Not sure. So that it will avoid, if I'm running, to avoid rattle. So okay, so update you once I'm done. Okay, so I just turned off the lights here in the garage, so let me turn it on. Those are the spot beam on it. And next will be the DRL. Okay, so this is the DRL. Then we're going back to spot. You look nice. They look so nice. Love it. Okay. So there you have it. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe on my channel. Hit that like button. And again, subscribe. We're gonna have that giveaway, 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Alright? Again, thank you for watching.